Struggling with stubborn nail fungus? Today, we're reviewing this extra strength nail treatment.
If you've got thickened, yellow, or discolored nails, you know how hard it is to find something that actually works.
This formula uses 1% tolnaftate, a clinically proven antifungal that gets straight to the root of the infection.
SOVS is the gentle, plant-based formula. It repairs damaged nails without harsh chemical smells.
It's designed for extra strength, meaning it's tough on fungus, but kind to your skin and seed.
It absorbs fast, so you don't have to wait around for it to dry before putting your socks or shoes back on.
Ready to get your healthy nails back? Click on the link in the description to try it now.
Consistency is key. Apply it twice daily and watch your nails transform from brittle to clear and strong.
No more hiding your feet in the summer. This treatment is a game changer for regaining you.
1% tolnaftate is the gold standard for over-the-counter fungus relief. It's effective and
fits
affordable.
perfectly into your morning routine. Just brush it on and you're good to go for the day.
Don't let fungus hold you back any longer. This gentle formula is the solution you've been looking for.
Even for those tough, thickened nails, the extra strength formula penetrates deep to start the repair.
Effective and easy to use. It's everything you need for total nail recovery in
Give
one
your
bottle.
nails the care they deserve. Check the link below and start your journey to clear nails today.